Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about past continuous tense. The verb form that we have to use in this tense is was or were plus ing form, present participle form of the verb. For the subjects I, he, she, it, singular noun, we have to use was plus ing form, present participle form of the verb. For the subjects we, you, they, plural noun, we have to use were plus ing form of the verb, that means present participle form of the verb. You can understand that singular subjects will take was plus ing form, plural subjects will take were plus ing form. Let us see the affirmative, positive, negative and interactive forms of the sentences, how we have to make with the different subjects. With the subject I, we write one example. I was eating, I was not eating, was I eating? In this way, we have other subjects also. He was eating, he was not eating, was he eating? She was eating, she was not eating, was she eating? It was eating, it was not eating, was it eating? Singular noun, we take Rama. Rama was eating, Rama was not eating, was Rama eating? With the plural subjects, we take first we. We were eating, we were not eating, were we eating? Next subject, you. You were eating, you were not eating, were you eating? They were eating, they were not eating, were they eating? Plural noun, we can take Rama and Sita. Rama and Sita were eating, Rama and Sita were not eating, were Rama and Sita eating? So in this way we can form the affirmative, negative and interactive sentences with the different subjects. Now let's know how this tense can be used in different ways. The first use, it is used to express an action that was still going on in the past time. Examples, I met Raghu while he was standing at the college gate. Second example, we noticed some birds which were flying. We can observe these two examples. In the first example, met is the simple past form of the verb, whereas was standing is the past continuous form. In the second example, noticed is the simple past form and were flying is the past continuous form. So this is a sentence which is a combination of two clauses. So we have two tenses here, simple past and past continuous. So when one action was done, the second one was going on. Coming to the next use, when two past actions take place at the same time, the action of longer duration must be described in the past continuous. Example 1, when I saw him, he was playing chess. Here the second action is of longer duration, that's why we used past continuous for that. Second example, while they were coming down, they saw me. Here the first action is of longer duration, so that's why we used past continuous for that. Two tenses are there. In the first example, saw is in the simple past, was playing is in past continuous. In the second example, were coming down is in past continuous, saw is in simple past. So we can understand that when one action was going on, the other happened or the other took place. The next use, the past continuous tense indicates a gradual development when used without a time expression. Examples, it was getting warmer, it was getting darker, the river was rising. Here the verbs was getting, was rising indicate a gradual development in the action in the past time. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon